Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer money using Union Bank in 2025. With the latest updates, Union Bank's app has made transfers faster, safer, and more user-friendly than ever. Whether you're sending cash to family, paying bills, or splitting expenses with friends, this guide will have you covered in no time. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Union Bank app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your App Store, search for Union Bank 2025, and download the latest version. Once that's done, open the app and log in using your username, password, and the new biometric options like fingerprint or facial recognition for added security. Next, navigate to the main dashboard. You'll see a prominent Transfer Money button. Tap on that to get started. Now, select the type of transfer you want. Options might include internal bank transfers, external bank transfers, or even international ones with real-time currency conversion powered by AI. Enter the recipient's details carefully. You'll need their account number, bank name if it's external, and the amount you want to send. Don't forget to add a reference or note for the recipient, like rent payment or gift. Union Bank's smart system will check for any errors and suggest corrections. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review everything. In 2025, Union Bank requires a quick two-factor authentication, which could be a one-time PIN sent to your phone or email. This step ensures your money is protected from any unauthorized access. Once verified, confirm the transfer, and you're all set. You'll get an instant confirmation message with transaction details. The money should arrive in the recipient's account within minutes for domestic transfers. And that's it. You've just mastered money transfers with Union Bank in 2025. Remember, always double-check details to avoid mistakes, and keep an eye on your transaction history for peace of mind. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more banking tips and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.